What if the challenges we faced recently could actually spark the greatest opportunities of our time? Imagine a world where crisis leads to transformation, unlocking new possibilities and reshaping our future. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful shift that could redefine how we approach everything. Post-Corona, From Crisis to Opportunity, by Scott Galloway explores the seismic shifts in society and business brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Galloway, a professor of marketing and a renowned business analyst, examines how the pandemic has accelerated existing trends and reshaped various aspects of life, work, and the global economy. His analysis offers both a critical look at the challenges we face and a forward-looking perspective on the opportunities emerging from this unprecedented crisis. The book begins with a stark assessment of the pandemic's impact on society. Galloway highlights how COVID-19 has exposed and exacerbated deep-seated inequalities, from economic disparities to healthcare access. He notes that while the pandemic has been a great equalizer in terms of its health impacts, it has further widened the gap between the haves and have-nots. This uneven impact is evident in the way different communities and individuals have experienced the crisis differently, with marginalized groups suffering disproportionately. Galloway then shifts focus to the business world, where the pandemic has acted as a catalyst for transformation. He explores how companies that were already moving towards digital and remote work have been able to adapt more easily, while those reliant on physical presence have struggled. The book discusses the rise of remote work and its potential to permanently alter the corporate landscape. Galloway argues that remote work has the potential to democratize job opportunities, allowing talent from diverse geographical locations to contribute to global businesses. However, he also warns of the risks of increased isolation and the challenge of maintaining company culture in a virtual environment. One of the key themes of post-Corona is the acceleration of digital transformation. Galloway describes how the pandemic has hastened the shift towards online shopping, e-learning, and telehealth. These changes were already underway before the pandemic but have been dramatically accelerated by the crisis. Galloway examines how this digital shift has created winners and losers, with technology giants and online platforms benefiting greatly while traditional brick-and-mortar businesses face existential threats. In discussing the future of retail, Galloway emphasizes the need for companies to rethink their strategies. He highlights how the pandemic has exposed the vulnerabilities of physical retail stores and accelerated the trend towards e-commerce. Galloway suggests that retailers must adapt by integrating online and offline experiences and leveraging technology to meet changing consumer expectations. He also explores how the pandemic has impacted supply chains and the importance of building more resilient and flexible logistics systems. Galloway also delves into the implications of the pandemic for education and learning. He argues that the crisis has revealed both the potential and limitations of online education. While remote learning has enabled continuity during the pandemic, it has also highlighted issues related to access, engagement, and educational inequality. Galloway proposes that the future of education will likely involve a blend of online and in-person learning, with a focus on creating more personalized and accessible educational experiences. The book also addresses the broader societal changes brought about by the pandemic. Galloway discusses how the crisis has influenced public attitudes towards issues such as healthcare, government intervention, and social safety nets. He notes that the pandemic has led to increased scrutiny of healthcare systems and a growing demand for reform. Additionally, Galloway explores the rise of populism and the challenges of managing public health in a politically polarized environment. In conclusion, Post-Corona offers a comprehensive and insightful analysis of the pandemic's impact on various facets of society and business. Galloway provides a clear-eyed examination of the challenges we face and the opportunities that lie ahead. By highlighting the accelerated trends and shifts brought about by the crisis, he offers valuable insights for navigating the post-pandemic world. The book emphasizes the need for adaptability, resilience, and innovation as we move forward, and encourages readers to view the crisis as a catalyst for positive change rather than merely a setback.